and welcome to the Warda Mermaid Skirts Premium course. In this course, I'm going to show you how to create two beautiful high-waisted mermaid skirts with a modern, flattering silhouette that highlights your curves and creates that elegant hourglass shape. The first design features a trendy high-waisted style with a strategic strap detail that naturally draws the eye to your narrowest points. It also includes playful front cutouts and slits that add a modern, stylish touch. And the great thing is, these details are completely optional. You can include them if you like the bold look, or skip them for a more modest and classic version. Once we finish the first skirt, I'll show you how to make a few easy modifications to that same base pattern to create a second design. This version features elegant lace panels and a different style of front cutout for a more refined, sophisticated look. And again, the cutout is optional, so you can customize it to your comfort level. Both designs are carefully shaped to create a smooth, flattering mermaid silhouette that works beautifully on many different body types. By the end of this course, you have the skills and confidence to create a high-waisted mermaid skirt that fits your body perfectly and reflects your personal style. So gather your materials, get your creativity ready, and let's start creating your Warda mermaid skirt together.